Hello, good morning! So, eto tayo. Eto kami sa Emirates Park Zoo sa Abu Dhabi. We will show you our room. Nasa first floor kami kasi first floor lang naman ang resort dito. So, there you go. Our room number is 408. And then, pag bukas is yan, sofa bed. Sofa talaga siya, pero pwede siyang maging sofa bed. Pasensya naman sa kalat dahil, may mga kids. And then, my table. Yan, ang room, the bed, king bed size. Then, may extra mattress kami kasi yung room is good for 2 adults lang and 2 kids. Then, kasama namin si tita. So, there you go. The CR, shower room, nandun sa dulo. And then, yes, the TV, the window. So, yeah, nabayaran namin is 1,300 with